In today's video, I'll show you how to fix PC or laptop keeps freezing randomly. So I'll show you 5 easy steps to fix your hanging or crashing laptop or PC. So at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and reset your graphics drivers. For that, what you need to click is Control, Shift, Windows, and B all together. So again, the buttons are Control, Shift, Windows, and B all together. Just click on them and you'll hear a sound. That basically means that your graphics driver has been resetted. And after you have done that, what you can do is just go to your taskbar and right click on it and open up Task Manager. Expand this section, click on Open Navigation and make sure to select Processes. In here, find Windows Explorer, right click on it and click on Restart. And after that, what you need to do is just go to the CPU usage and find the app with the highest usage and right click on it and click on End Task. Do the same thing for the memory. Whichever app is using the most memory, just right click on it and click on End Task. It will allow your resources to be free. And after that, what you can do is click on Open Navigation and then just go to Startup Apps. From here, what you have to do is just disable all the apps that you don't need on startup. Basically, disable all of them. And those apps won't start up automatically and use your resources. Then just close this. Then just go to this PC and from here, just go to your local disk, which is your system drive. Right click on it, click on Properties. Then just go to Tools. From here, go inside Error Checking and run this check. Click on Scan Drive. Just give it some time. It's gonna scan your system drive and fix any problems or errors if it finds out any. Just give it like 1 minute or so. Until then, you can move to the next step or just sit here for it to be completed. And there you go. It has been successfully scanned. Windows successfully scanned the drive. No errors were found. If it finds an error for you, it's gonna fix it. Then click on Close and close this as well. Then minimize this. Then what you have to do is just go to your search and search for CMD and run it as administrator. And after that, in here, what you need to type is sfc/scan now. And then just hit enter and allow it to scan your system. If it finds any problem, it's gonna fix it automatically. And after that, just close this out. Make sure to run the full scan, then close it only. And the last step which you can do is just go to your Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, then select Scan Options. From here, either run a full scan or run a Microsoft Defender Antivirus offline scan. So just select any of them and click on Scan Now. This is basically gonna run the entire scan on your system and try to find viruses in it. And if it finds any viruses or security threats, it's gonna tell you and you can remove them yourself. And then just go ahead and restart your PC after the scan is completed. And after that, hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix laptop or PC freezing or hanging randomly. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.